We obviously were very, very excited. We've never even dreamed of playing against Brazil. Marta and all the other senior players from Brazil are, people who we've looked up to, and we admire watching them in the World Cup and Olympics. So obviously it's, I can't say it's a dream come true because we never dreamed about it. But obviously it's very, very exciting. We feel incredibly honored, and feels really special that our coaching staff, our federation, believe that we can play against a tough team and a better team like Brazil.
जब हमें पता चला कि हमें ब्राज़ील और वेनेजुएला के साथ हमें 4 नेशन मैचेस खेलने का मौका मिल रहा है, तो हम बहुत एक्साइटेड थे, सारे बच्चे भी, क्योंकि ब्राज़ील बहुत सारे प्लेयर फॉलो करते हैं हमारी टीम में भी, तो सब लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड थे। और मेरे को एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि उसमें उनकी टीम में बहुत बड़े प्लेयर्स भी खेल रहे हैं, मार्टा और फमीका, वो तो मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कि वो कैसे खेलती है, क्योंकि मैंने इंडिया में बहुत लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि 30 के बाद क्या बोलते हैं कि परफॉर्मेंस डाउन हो जाते हैं और अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते, तो मेरे को वो चीज़ भी देखना चाहती हूँ कि वो लोग कैसे खेलते हैं 30 के बाद भी। तो मेरे को ये चीज़ भी अच्छा लगता है कि इतना बड़े प्लेयर इतना एज की बात वो लोग एक प्रोफेशनल लेवल में खेल रहे हैं, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उनके साथ खेलने में।
जब से मैंने फ़ुटबॉल खेलना स्टार्ट किया था तब से ब्राज़ीलियन टीम को ही मैं देखते आया हूँ, क्योंकि हम लोग के जहाँ पे गांव में था तो उधर में सिर्फ सब लोग रोनाल्डो ये सब बोलता था, पर उस टाइम जब नेट में देखता था तो मार्टा, मतलब वुमेंस फुटबॉल में मार्टा दिखता था, तो जब उनको मैंने देखना स्टार्ट किया तो उनका ड्रिबलिंग, उनका जो बॉल के लिए जो हंगर था, जो पैशन है, वो मेरे को मार्टा में बहुत अच्छा लगता था। तो उन चीज़ों से मेरे को मार्टा से मैं बहुत इंस्पायर होता हूँ अभी भी। हाँ, मेरे को तो अभी तक विश्वास नहीं हुआ है, जब ग्राउंड में जाएंगे और खेलेंगे उनके सामने तो
Playing against Brazil is very exciting because I remember as a kid growing up, my father, who's also who's a football coach now, who used to be a football player as well. He was a big fan of the Brazil men's national team, and he would watch them play in FIFA World Cup, and that is how I got to know about the FIFA Women's World Cup and the Brazil women's national team. And since I was a child, I've looked up at Marta, I've looked up at Formiga, and just the fact that they're still playing and they're they're still they're still good at it and they're setting records even at this age is just so inspiring, which just defines that age is just a number. And if you're ready to work hard and if you're ready to put in all of your hard work and just able to put your best foot forward, you can achieve whatever you want. So I feel like I started looking up at them when I was starting my football career, and now when I'm a part of the senior national team and I will be going and playing against them, it is going to be very exciting. And also the fact that Formiga is going to be retiring in the game against us makes it even more special, because again, a player who I have idolized, who I've seen and who I've grown up looking at, and knowing the fact that she's played 7 World Cups, which is a big number, and to know that she will be retiring in a game against us makes it even more special. So definitely I will be looking forward to meeting players who play the FIFA World Cup and just playing against a side which has been competing in probably all the FIFA World Cups. It's going to be very exciting.
And we're very excited to give it our best. Obviously, I'm sure that it's going to be one of the matches that we will cherish and remember all our lives. But we're going to, there's no fear. We have nothing to lose there. We're not going to hold back and be overwhelmed by the occasion or the match. I think we just have to prepare ourselves like the way we prepare for other matches and go all out. So we've never been to South America, so that's going to be something different and exciting for us. Obviously, South American football is very different from maybe what we're used to in Asia and other countries. So that's going to be one experience that will definitely help us as we prepare for the AFC, where we'll be getting some tough teams. So I think that experience is going to be very, very valuable. And of course, playing these tough opponents, teams that have played in the World Cup and Olympics, is is definitely going to help us and make us better and really test ourselves to what we've been working on these past 2-3 months. Of course, the first name that comes to our mind when we talk about Brazil is Marta, because obviously she's been playing for so long for the country. She's transformed football, women's football, not just for Brazil but for the entire world. She's one of the players that we've all looked up to while growing up, and it will truly be an honor to be on the same pitch and playing against her and the whole Brazilian team. And hopefully we can have some good conversation about football, about life after the match, and just get to learn from her experience, because she's got so much of experience, and anything that she can share with us will definitely be very, very valuable to me and hopefully to the team as well. I think the exposure and the friendly matches that we've got in Dubai, Bahrain have been very, very helpful, because the team's new. A lot of new players have joined in. A lot of young players have joined the team. And these international matches were really important for us to work as a team, to really understand each other, to be able to play with each other. And we've got some good results. That's always a big motivation when we are preparing ourselves for a major tournament like the AFC. And I think every player, including myself, have gained a lot of experience from those matches, and we're looking forward to the next ones coming up. We're very positive that these previous matches have given us a good shape to step into for the next matches.
मेरे को पता चला कि हम लोग ब्राज़ील के अगेंस्ट खेलने वाला है, तो मेरे को विश्वास नहीं हुआ, और मैंने जाके टीम मैनेजर से पूछा कि हम लोग सही में खेलने वाला है क्या, ऐसे करके पूछा, क्योंकि इट्स लाइक बहुत एक्साइटेड और बहुत हैप्पी था, क्योंकि होगा या नहीं होगा तो अच्छे से कंफर्म करना था मेरे को कि हाँ खेलने वाला है ब्राज़ील के अगेंस्ट बोल के। और इट्स लाइक ड्रीम कम ट्रू ऐसा है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि वो बचपन से मैंने ब्राज़ील टीम का फ़ैन रहा हूँ पहले से ही, तो इसलिए इतना बड़े टीम के साथ खेलने के साथ, जब हम लोग को इतना बड़ा रैंकिंग के टीम के साथ खेलने को मिलेगा तो उधर से हम लोग को बहुत एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, क्योंकि उधर में जितना भी प्लेयर्स है वो लोग पहले से कितने सालों से खेलते आए हैं, कितना ओलंपिक्स खेला है, कितना उन्होंने वर्ल्ड कप खेला है वो प्लेयर्स लोग ने। तो उन लोग से जब हम लोग मैच खेलेंगे तो उन लोग से गेम देख के, उन लोग के साथ हम लोग मैच खेल के बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, और वही एक्सपीरियंस लेके हम लोग AFC कप में भी हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे। और बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ खेलने के लिए उन लोग के साथ। जितने भी टीम के साथ अभी हम लोग ने ये एक्सपोजर खेल के आए, उधर में हम लोग ने बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है अपने टीम में। उधर में कब कॉम्पैक्ट होना है, कब टैकल करना है, बहुत कुछ हम लोग ने स्ट्रॉन्ग उधर से सीख के आया है, और वही हम लोग जाके आगे में जाके यूज़ करेंगे। और जब स्वीडन में हम लोग ने मैच खेला, उधर में 2 मैचेस खेला, उधर में ऐसा लगा कि हम लोग की टीम में बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया पहले से अभी। और इधर में भी जब जमशेदपुर में अभी हम लोग जब ट्रेनिंग करते हैं तो वो भी हम लोग को फील होता है कि जितना पहले से हम लोग खेलते आए, अभी टीम में बॉन्डिंग हो गया, अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गया, बहुत कुछ अभी बन रहा है हम लोग के अंदर। तो जब तक ये AFC कप आ जाएंगे तब तक हम लोग का वो जो कॉन्फिडेंस, जितना ये एक्सपोजर से, जितना ये ब्राज़ील के मैच हो गया, ये 4 नेशन के मैच टूर्नामेंट के बाद हम लोग को बहुत एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, और इससे हम लोग AFC कप में और अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देने की कोशिश करेंगे।
The team, we've never traveled to South America, and just playing against teams like Venezuela, Chile and Brazil, who are all ranked higher than us, is very good exposure. And traveling to another continent where the team hasn't traveled and the team hasn't been exposed to, playing against the players that we have, the team hasn't really played against or played with. I feel like it is going to be a very good experience. So all in all, I would say I was very excited, I was very happy, and I remember that there was a lot of discussion about the fact that we will be traveling to Brazil, and we will be participating in a 4 nations tournament, which would not be including teams from Europe or Asia, but a different continent altogether. So I feel it was a news which was very surprising for us. It was very new, and all of us were very happy, and we are looking forward to how and what performances we put forward there. I personally expect them to put their best foot forward. I know one thing for sure, that they're going to come strong. The players from those teams are very strong physically, and they're very fit as well, and they understand each other a lot, and they're very skillful as well, because by playing in Canada, I've had the opportunity to play with and against players from Chile, Mexico, US, Brazil, and just sharing the field with my friends who come from these countries, and seeing their style of play, I know that these teams are going to not leave any stone unturned, and they're very skillful, the players that come from these countries, and their style of play and their football is very different from how it is played in Asia. So I feel it is going to be a very good experience, because it would help us. The game time would help us understand different situations as players, and that's going to help us better our decision making, and it will in turn build our confidence as well, which I guess is very, very important for us to be building up to the Women's Asian Cup, because game time is very necessary. It helps us as players to understand the game of football. It helps us understand different styles of play and how we can counter that to get a positive result for ourselves going forward. So I just going into this Four Nations tournament, I just expect a very, very tough fight from all the teams, and that is what we're going to do as well, that we're not going to fear any of our opponents, but we're going to go and put our best foot forward with our best performances. The matches in UAE, Bahrain and Sweden have helped us a lot, given the fact that the team came together after a long time, and just the fact that we could get the match experience and the exposure playing against different opponents and tougher opponents was very helpful. And also the game time helps us reflect on our performances individually as well as a team, because we are building towards a very important tournament, which is Women's Asian Cup. And we need to understand our performances, and we need to gain, and we need the game time, we need the experience to be able to understand what needs to be done to understand each other as a team, and also to be able to test the depth of the team that we have, because there are other players that are coming, there are new players that are coming, there are players that are being shuffled in the national team, and I feel it's very necessary to understand and to test what we are capable of as players and as a team, because Women's Asian Cup is a very crucial tournament for us, and we definitely aim to perform very well there and hopefully qualify for the FIFA World Cup.
मेरे को वही दोनों सीनियर प्लेयर है, दोनों फॉलो करती हूँ कि मार्टा और फॉर्मिगा, क्योंकि मुझे मार्टा ऑलरेडी फीफा का बहुत सारे अवार्ड मिल चुकी है, और शी इज़ द बेस्ट स्ट्राइकर, और मेरे को उनका लीडरशिप भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो मेरे को लगता है कि इस मैचेस में उनसे भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने की मिलेगा, और मेरे को बहुत चीज़ें मोटिवेट भी होगा। एक अच्छे फुटबॉलर, एक अच्छा डिफेंडर बनने के लिए एक बड़ी स्ट्राइकर के साथ खेलना और बड़े कंट्री के साथ खेलना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। उनके साथ खेलने से मुझे बहुत चीज़ें और टेक्निकल और टैक्टिक्स बहुत चीज़ें सीखने का मिलेगा, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि हर मैच में हमें बहुत चीज़ें सीखने के मिलते हैं। हमने अभी पिछले एक्सपोजर में भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने के मिला, और ये तीनों मैचेस में भी बहुत चीज़ें सीखने के मिलेगा, और ये तीनों कंट्रीज़ बहुत फीफा रैंकिंग में बहुत हाईएस्ट रैंकिंग में है। सो AFC में भी ऐसे बड़ी कंट्रीज़ आने वाले हैं, उन बड़ी प्लेयर्स आने वाले हैं, उनकी अगेंस्ट खेलने वाले हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये तीनों मैचेस में भी बहुत चीज़ें हमें हेल्प करेगा, एक टेक्निकली, टैक्टिक्स और मोटिवेशन, और स्पेशली मेंटली और फिज़िकली बहुत चीज़ें हेल्प करेगा। हाँ, इम्प्रूवमेंट तो बहुत चीज़ें में आया है, काफ़ी चीज़ें में हमने सारे ऑफिशियल और हमारे टेक्निकल डिपार्टमेंट में सारे काम कर चुके हैं। फिर भी लर्निंग प्रोसेस ख़त्म नहीं होते हमेशा। हर मैच में, छोटे मैच हो या बड़े मैच हो, हर मैच में हमें कुछ ना कुछ सीखने के मिल जाते हैं। तो पिछले सारे एक्सपोजर में हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी थे, और अभी स्वीडन वाले मैच में भी हमें बहुत चीज़ें और सीखने को मिला, क्योंकि हर मूवमेंट में और बड़े हमसे बेटर प्लेयर के साथ कैसे खेलना है, और इंटेंसिटी वाइज तो बहुत चीज़ें हमें हेल्प मिला है।